You gonna get the teddy out? Ooh, cute. Catherine's such a good girl. Oh, okay. Go ahead. Ooh, that's a fox. That's the other toy. Oh, that's too cute. Catherine playing. See, I'm 14 months. And I'm home just waiting for my daddy. Dad. That's stuck on your finger again? Mike, kneel down because I need her to look down. There you go. Say cheese. Say daddy, I love you. Say I love you, everyone. Yay. Hip hip hooray. Yay. Michael playing hide and seek behind me.
Isa.
Hip hip hooray. Hip hip hooray. Yay. The happy little girl.